Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on replacing the panel and motor cup of your Thermomix TM31. This task requires careful attention to detail and the right tools. Let's get started with what you'll need. Tools required *. 1. A Phillips screwdriver, size number 1. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A Torx screwdriver, T15. 4. A cleaning cloth. 5. Isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Step 1. Safety first. Ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before starting any repair. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Step 2. Accessing the panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the Thermomix. There are a total of 5 screws to take out. Place them in a small container so they don't get lost. Step 3. Removing the panel. Carefully detach the panel from the base. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off if it feels stuck. Be cautious not to damage the wiring attached to the panel. Step 4. Clean the interior. Once the panel is removed, take a moment to clean the interior with a cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. This will help ensure a smooth operation once your repairs are complete. Step 5. Accessing the motor cup. Next, locate the motor cup, which is usually secured by a few screws. Use the Torx screwdriver to remove them. Keep an eye on the size and placement of each screw for reassembly later. Step 6. Removing the motor cup. Carefully lift the motor cup out of its housing. If it feels stuck, check for any additional screws or clips that may not have been removed yet. Step 7. Installation of the new components. Now it's time to install the new motor cup. Position it carefully into place and secure it with the screws. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any operational issues. Step 8. Reattach the panel. With the motor cup in place, it's time to reattach the panel. Align it correctly and press it down firmly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug and secure. Step 9. Professional services. If at any point you feel unsure or don't have the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also take advantage of our pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel, it's all taken care of for you. Step 10. Final checks. Before plugging in your Thermomix, double-check all screws and ensure the panel and motor cup are securely in place. This will help prevent any operational failures. Step 11. Testing the device. Plug in your Thermomix and test it to make sure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to request a quote before repair through our services. By following these steps, you should successfully replace the panel and motor cup of your Thermomix TM31. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.